In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership of a Siteground account. Whether you're selling your website or passing it to a partner, learning how to transfer ownership can be crucial for seamless continuity. Now, let's go through this process step by step. First, you'll want to start by visiting the official Siteground website. Siteground is a popular web hosting service known for its reliability, and getting to their homepage is the starting point for managing any aspect of your account. Once you've arrived at the homepage, look for the login button. It will usually be found at the very top right corner of the page. This is where you need to click to access your account details. After clicking on the login button, you will be directed to a page where you must enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Siteground account section. This is your personal hub where you manage everything related to your Siteground services like websites, billing, and importantly for us today, ownership settings. Next, look for the Websites tab. This section is dedicated to managing all the websites you have hosted with Siteground. Click on this tab and you'll be presented with a list of your websites. Here you'll see the sites you're working on or managing and can access various management tools and settings for each. In this list, locate the specific website for which you would like to transfer ownership. Once you've found it, you should see a three-dot icon, often referred to as the More Options menu, next to your website's name. Go ahead and click on this icon. It's your gateway to more advanced website management features that aren't immediately visible in the main dashboard. After clicking the three-dot icon, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with multiple options. Among these, you should find an option labeled Transfer Ownership. This is the critical step in our process. Clicking on Transfer Ownership will initiate the procedure for changing the ownership of your selected website. Completing this transfer will usually involve a few additional steps tailored to security and verification protocols, such as confirming the recipient's details or verifying via email. These measures ensure that the ownership transfer process is secure and only conducted with proper authorization. And that's it, you've now successfully navigated transferring ownership of a Siteground account. Remember that ensuring smooth communication with the new owner is paramount during this process, as it facilitates any additional steps or permissions needed. With this understanding, you can confidently manage and transfer your website ownership as your projects evolve. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out with any questions you might have.